new details this morning on a pair of stabbing attacks in Europe. In the UK, police identifying the suspect.
A man armed with a butcher's knife, a woman dead, 2 others stabbed, and a city in lockdown.
The suspect armed with a machete, stabbing victims inside of a store and on the street.
And another
in the Netherlands, the suspect is still on the loose.
In the modern-day world, we are constantly faced with the threat of violence in our day-to-day lives. This has led us to design a backpack that can be used to help defend yourself during such unexpected and unpredictable events. Made from a mixture of Kevlar and anti-stab fabrics, the Infi-Pro personal protection backpack is rated at level 5 blade cut resistance. It is made to be there for your protection in the event you come across a would-be attacker. It also gives you peace of mind, knowing that you have a defense safeguard when traveling or commuting. Ergonomically designed, it is lightweight, strong and balanced, making it perfect for both urban and travel uses. The backpack's fabric is water repellent, keeping all of your possessions dry, regardless of the weather conditions. The backpack has been optimized for storage, carriage, and easy access to important items during urban and travel use. The backpack is fitted with S-Biner dual carabiner clips to prevent the opening of zippers by potential thieves. A separate RFID case keeps your electronic data safe, and a security cable is included to secure the backpack to permanent fixtures. The backpack also features an optional baby carrier option. The additional accessory pack includes a Bluetooth tracker, personal alarm, and other items to facilitate ease of travel and peace of mind. We challenge you to find a more safety-orientated backpack available today.
Hi, my name is Devin Dolacia and I'm the designer of the Infi-Pro personal protection backpack. As an airline pilot for many years, I've traveled the world and seen situations where a product like this would have been a great life-saving asset. The backpack incorporates Kevlar and other composite material to reduce the impact of puncture wounds on the person wearing it. The design is highly functional and suitable both for urban and travel use. Please support the campaign to increase personal and travel safety. Thank you.